Committee of Honorable Bonds Militar to, what we want to see here, Mr. President, is to make Davao City as number one LGU and EI and robotic technology under the office of, under the leadership of Honorable Duterte. And if you remember, Mr. President, we have our city college. In fact, their suggestion is to put up a hub laboratory in Davao City College once these things is finalized by the committee in accordance to what is provided by the law. So, I was trying to understand, Your Honor, that eventually this robot can be displayed there in the gallery or in the lobby. So kung may mga tao doon, pwede pumunta ng robot, where is the official device mayor, where is the councilor, and the robot will guide, Your Honor. I think that is what we want to see, including maybe in City Hall. I asked them if this is possible. They are saying yes, very possible. At the same time, Your Honor, for security purpose, we can have this artificial face reading. So it's so this was discussed by Honorable Bonds and Mr. Layo. Layo is related to the Pisao and Taransa Puril and Pani. So that's all, Your Honor, unless some will ask some other question. We would like to congratulate and I think the schools will be excited also of this. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
We would like to promote Davao as the very first AI-driven city in the whole country. So that is our main goal. So let me now present our AI robot. We call them AI robots because it stands for Asian Institute of Artificial Intelligence. They will be dancing to the tune of, I think, Michael Jackson's song. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the AI robot.